Ever stood somewhere so beautiful it literally takes your breath away? Like you're trying to breathe normally, but the view just won't let you. That's exactly what happened to me at Lover's Leap in St. Elizabeth, and you have to see it to believe it. So I'm standing at the edge of this cliff, looking down at a 1,700-foot drop into the most gorgeous turquoise water. The Caribbean Sea is stretching out forever, and I'm thinking, this is it. This is what paradise looks like. This place isn't just about jaw-dropping views. There's a love story behind this cliff that'll hit you right in the feels. Plus, there's a restaurant and bar where you can grab lunch, dinner, or a drink while soaking in those wonderful views. If you're digging this already, show some love and hit that like button. It helps us keep bringing you these incredible Jamaica stories. So let me tell you the legend. Back in the 1700s, there were two enslaved people, a young man and woman who fell deeply in love, but their enslavers had other plans and tried to separate them. Rather than live without each other, they made the ultimate decision. They held hands, ran to the edge of this very cliff, and leaped into the sea together. It's heartbreaking, it's powerful, and it's why this place is called Lover's Leap. Now let me tell you what makes this spot absolutely worth the trip. The views. You can see for miles and miles. Just the ocean and sky. There's something about being up this high, with nothing but nature surrounding you, that makes all your problems seem tiny. There's a lighthouse nearby that adds to the whole dramatic atmosphere. And speaking of that lighthouse, this place comes alive in a whole different way throughout the year. They host the famous Lighthouse series concerts that draw music lovers from all over the island. Imagine listening to incredible live music with the ocean breeze, the stars above, and that legendary view as your backdrop. It's pure vibes. At night, this place becomes utterly romantic. The lighting, the views, the ambiance, it all comes together. Lover's Leap describes itself as one of the most romantic places in the world. And honestly, it's hard to argue. The ocean views make it romantic during the day, while the restaurant decor and lighthouse create magic at night. The property is well maintained, and you can really take your time exploring, snapping photos, and just soaking it all in. Here's a pro tip. Come during golden hour at sunset. The light hitting those cliffs and that water, pure magic. The colors are absolutely insane, and your camera will thank you. This place is peaceful and awe-inspiring. You find yourself just standing there, quiet, letting the beauty wash over you. It's like the universe is reminding you how small you are, but in the best way possible. Your stress and worries just don't matter when you're face to face with something this magnificent. It's not just a tourist attraction. It's a piece of Jamaican heritage, a monument to love and freedom, and honestly, one of the most moving places I've visited on the island. Whether you're coming here for the views, the love story, the live music events, or just to experience something truly special, Lover's Leap delivers on every level. It's one of those spots that stays with you long after you leave. You'll be sitting at home weeks later and suddenly remember standing on that cliff, feeling that wind, seeing that wonderful view, and you'll smile. So if you're planning a trip to Jamaica, Lover's Leap needs to be on your list. It's absolutely worth every second of the drive. What hidden gems should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below and make sure you subscribe. We're out here uncovering the real Jamaica, one story at a time. Until next time, keep exploring and remember, some places don't just show you beauty, they show you the power of love.